guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick 3-step makeup look. If you are a college going girl or a working girl, then it is very important to just quickly do your makeup in the morning. So I'm going to be showing you how to do your makeup very quickly. So if you guys are interested, then please keep watching. So for the first step, I use this concealer. I apply the concealer under my eyes and on all the areas that I think needs a little coverage. After applying the concealer, I'll just blend the concealer with my fingers. After the concealer, I apply this mascara. So now moving on to the next step, I apply this lip gloss as my blush. And I'm just going to blend it all with my fingers. And then whatever is left on my finger, I'm going to apply it on my nose. Then I'm going to be taking the same gloss and a lip liner. You can skip the lip liner if you are in a hurry. Then after the lip liner, I apply the lip gloss. This lip gloss is more like a brown tone. So that's it. It was quick and easy 3-step makeup routine. You guys can easily do this makeup in just a few minutes. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Okay guys, bye. I will see you in the next video.